Hi, my name is Oliver Zimmermann. I am the CEO of Condair. Condair is the global market leader in humidification and evaporative cooling. Over the last 2 years we had an agreement with Lean Interim GmbH on the basis of 200 days per year. I met Dietmar Dold during my time as Managing Director of throug, Germany. He helped me there as a consultant in a major quality offensive. We had quality issues with products coming from different manufacturing facilities in the group. He conducted those workshops and mediated the different interests in order to improve quality of the products and eventually make us more successful in the market. I actually was struggling with consolidating the manufacturing footprint in Europe. We were not able to relocate 3 different manufacturing sites to our newly built location in the north of Germany. He then took over one of these delicate projects and relocated a key product from the UK and closed the facility there. So after that, he then continued with similar projects and in particular also initiated the lean manufacturing project to optimize the material flows internally and to reduce logistics costs. He also coached the key employees at the new site to help them grow personally. He developed an operating model within the principal structure and established the fundamentals within that principal. Dietmar also managed the principal structure that we had introduced and made sure that all those fundamentals and rules were established in the group. Dietmar is really good at creating and conducting workshops, at explaining difficult topics, which makes him a good trainer, but he's also good at conceptual thinking. He's critical, direct and straightforward, always challenging the status quo, but in a transparent and authentic way, which makes him an excellent sparring partner. I personally recommend Dietmar Dold for transformation projects, for training initiatives, or as a sparring partner for your management. We will keep working with Dietmar in the future as well. I wish you all the best in your endeavor.